Ronald Kogens. He's a financial attorney at Froriep in Switzerland. Ronald, you've spoken about the question of how to regulate cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, but why does it need regulation?
I don't think so that we need specific regulation for cryptocurrency or blockchain technology. I think at the end it's important that you look at the context of everything so that you compare the new technology with the existing technology, and then you can decide if regulation is needed. I think currently what is needed is guidance to know how the blockchain and the cryptocurrencies fit into existing laws.
Okay. And how far along are we with that guidance?
I think we are still at the beginning, because before you can issue a guidance that is valuable, you have to have deep knowledge of the technology and also of the functionalities of the technology. And then when you got this deep understanding, you can look how it should be treated under applicable law and issue a guidance or adjust the law.
When talking about blockchains, the term ICO comes up a lot recently. ICOs introduce new tokens, usually. Are all tokens the same? Are there differences?
I mean, the term ICO is funny because it's usually a coin, and the coin for me is a simple payment instrument. I like much more the term initial token offering. But I mean, at the end, it doesn't matter. It's an issuance of a new token. And I mean, at the end, with ICOs, you can do nearly everything. You can issue a payment instrument, you can back an asset, you can promise a future right of everything. So there are no limits. I mean, the limits are existing laws that may be saying that something cannot be transferred digital. You need, for example, a handwritten signature. Okay. But otherwise, there are no limits.
Would you have recommendations to anyone considering buying ICO tokens or coins?
So I can't give a recommendation because otherwise I'm maybe going to be liable. But I mean, I think serious ICO projects, they have a good team around them, which means they work with a law firm. They have a business advisor that advises on the token economics. They have a separate team that is drafting or programming the smart contracts, but also another party that is doing the security check of the smart contract. And then if you look at the white paper, and if you don't understand the white paper, then probably something wrong. So a white paper for me should give you a clear vision and idea of what the people want to do with the money.
We're all doing this, and we're gathered here today in preparation of another blockchain hackathon. What do you think a blockchain hackathon can bring with regards to regulatory efforts?
I think it can bring a lot, because at the end, a lot of things are very burdensome that are in connection with regulation. So which means if you are becoming a financial intermediary and have to do KYC or AML, it's burdensome. You need people, you need to do a lot of work, you need to do all the identity checks. And there I see the potential, because I'm pretty sure with the technology, you can make all these processes much easier by having automated ID checks or people identifications via video that is done by computers without involving of a person.